बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलामुअलैकुम। तालीमाम चैनल में आप सबको खुश आमदीद। टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू रीड द यूनिट नंबर 3 ऑफ इंग्लिश बुक ओरल कम्युनिकेशन डायलॉग. इट इज़ अ डायलॉग बिटवीन two children for taking care of a pet. Taking care of a pet. जमील, I want to show you something. जमील, मैं तुम्हें कुछ दिखाना चाहता हूँ. नाहिद, what is it? नाहिद, ये क्या है? जमील, here it is. जमील, ये रहा. नाहिद, oh, it's a kitten. Can I hold it please? नाहिद, ओह, ये तो बिल्ली का बच्चा है, क्या मैं इसको पकड़ सकती हूँ मेहरबानी फरमा के? जमील, यस बट बी केयरफुल. हाँ, लेकिन एहतियात के साथ. इट मे हर्ट यू. ये तुम्हें ज़ख्मी कर सकता है. प्रैक्टिस दिस डायलॉग बिटवीन मेकिंग अ पेयर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स सो दे कैन स्पीक ईजीली अबाउट टेकिंग केयर ऑफ अ पेट. Now 3.2 reading on page number 17. Harry. Maria's pet is a kitten. मारिया का पालतू जानवर एक बिल्ली का बच्चा है. Its name is Harry. उसका नाम हैरी है. It has soft white fur. उसके नरम सफ़ेद बाल हैं. Maria gives it milk and fish. मारिया उसे दूध और मछली देती है. हैरी सिट्स ऑन द मैट नियर मारियाज बेड. हैरी मैट कालीन पर बैठता है मारिया के बिस्तर के नज़दीक. इट क्लीन्स इट फेस विद इट्स सॉफ्ट पॉज. वो अपना चेहरा अपने नरम पंजों से साफ करता है. हैरी कीप्स माइस अवे फ्रॉम द हाउस. हैरी चूहों को घर से दूर रखती है. टुडे व्हेन मारिया केम फ्रॉम स्कूल हैरी वॉज नॉट ऑन द मैट. आज जब मारिया स्कूल से घर आई तो हैरी कालीन पर मौजूद नहीं था. मारिया वॉज अपसेट. मारिया परेशान हो गई. एंड वेंट आउट टू फाइंड इट. और उसको ढूंढने के लिए गई. Now on page number 18, Maria was upset and went to find Harry. मारिया परेशान थी और हैरी को ढूंढने के लिए निकली. नंबर 1, she went into the house. वो घर के अंदर गई. She went up the stair. वो सीढ़ियों के ऊपर देख कर आई. She went out the door. वो दरवाजे के बाहर गई. She went beyond the fence. उसने बाड़ के आगे देखा. She went down the road. वो रोड की तरफ गई. She went in the garden. उसने बाग में देखा. And then she found her kitten. और फिर उसको बिल्ली का बच्चा मिल गया. Beside the lake playing with a ball. झील के पास बॉल के साथ खेलता हुआ. Now look at page number 19. There are true and false. Read the statement given below and put a mark. Write if they are true or cross if they are wrong. Example, Harry is a kitten. Right. Its fur is black and white. Wrong. Number 1, it cleans its face with soap and water. Wrong. It sleeps on a mat. Right. It likes to play with mice. Wrong. Its mat is near the bed. Right. Now look at the page number 20. Complete the statement. Example, Maria is a girl. Number 1, Dash is a kitten. Harry is a kitten. Number 2, it eats fish. Number 3, Maria was upset. Number 4, Harry was not on the mat. Number 5, Maria went outside to look for Harry. Number 6, she found Harry beside the lake. Now on page number 21, 3.3 language practice grammar. Read the sentences. The book are in the bag. The bag is on the table. The cat is under the table. The ball is near the cat. In these sentences, underlined words are in, on, under, near, and these words are telling about the position of the different things. Here is the activity of these grammar. Number 1, write A in the circle 1, X above the circle 2, Y under the circle 3, Z near the circle 4, which I have done for you. Number 2, take turn to ask and these questions. For example, question number 1, where is your bag? It is on my desk. Question number 2, where is my pencil? It is above the book. Question number 3, where is your book? It is near the blackboard. Question number 4, where is blackboard? It is under the desk. Now on page number 22, punctuation, grammar. We read 2 punctuation, full stop and question mark. Read the following sentences. Do you go to school on Sunday? I do not go to school on Sunday. A sentence which asks something is a question. Example, do you like ice cream? Question mark. Do you go to school on Sunday? Question mark. Question begin with a capital letter and end with a question mark. Here is the activity on page number 22 about question mark and full stop. Recognize sentences and put a full stop at the end of each statement and put a question mark at the end of each question. Number 1, what is your name? Question mark. Where do you live? Question mark. I play with my friends. Full stop. Number 4, who is your best friend? Question mark. Number 5, we ride our bicycle. Full stop. Number 6, I do not have a doll. Full stop. Number 7, ask your friend his name. Write the question on the line below. What is your name? Question mark. Write your friend's answer on the line. My name is Sana. Now look at the page number 23, 3.4, writing. Look at the picture and write the name of the birds. Parrot, crow. Choose the correct words and write 5 sentences about a parrot or crow in your notebook. I have done it as parrot but also read as crow. Number 1, a parrot is a bird. Number 2, it is green in color. Number 3, it has red beak. Number 4, it eats apple. Number 5, it says ta ta. Now if you write as a crow, then a crow is a bird. It is black in color. It has a grey beak. It eats meat. It says caw caw. Activity number 2, draw a crow or a parrot. In the box below you have to draw the picture of the bird. You write about it. Now on page number 24, 3.5, poem. Ding dong bell, pussy in the well. Who put her in? Little Tommy Thin. Who pulled her out? Little Tommy Stout. What a naughty boy was that who tried to poor pussycat. उम्मीद करती हूँ मेरी वीडियोस आपके लिए मददगार साबित हो रही होंगी। अगर आपको मेरी वीडियोस अच्छी लग रही हैं तो मेरे चैनल को लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलें। शुक्रिया। अल्लाह हाफिज़।